Welcome to my channel Learnomy. In this video we will cover current affair questions from 1 to 10 July, last part 3. Let's start the video. Question 1. With whom did the Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla hold virtual Foreign Office consultations in July 2020? Answer is David Hale. Question 2. Which UTs has decided to provide free ration to public distribution system, that is PDS card holders till November 2020? Answer is Delhi. Question 3. In July 2020, Maharashtra government has announced the recruitment of how many police personnel? Answer is 10,000. Question 4. In July 2020, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray inaugurated how many jumbo COVID care centers in Mumbai? Answer is 4. Question 5. In July 2020, the new administrative and academic building of which institute has been named after Bharatiya Jan Sangh founder Shyama Prasad Mukherjee? Answer is Indian Agriculture Research Institute. Question 6. In July 2020, who has become the highest paid celebrity of Instagram? Answer is Dwayne Johnson. Question 7. In June 2020, Ola has entered into a strategic partnership with which payment platforms? Answer is PhonePe. Question 8. Which bank has entered into a tie-up with Star Health and Allied Insurance to provide health insurance products to its customers? Answer is Karur Vysya Bank. Question 9. Earl Cameron passed away in July 2020. He was related to which field? Answer is acting. Question 10. When is the World Chocolate Day celebrated? Answer is 7 July. Question 11. Union Minister for Science and Technology and Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar have released the guidelines for evaluation of nano-based agri-input and food products in India through video link. Answer is Dr. Harshvardhan. Question 12. In July 2020, the Punjab government has constituted how many expert advisory committee or committees to ensure better management and handling of various COVID care related matters in the government medical colleges of Patiala and Amritsar? Answer is 2. Question 13. The International Olympic Committee announced that its new headquarters in Lausanne has been awarded the European 2020 US Green Building Council Leadership Award. The award has been given to how many organizations? Answer is 5. Question 14. In July 2020, the CM of which state inaugurated Asia's largest certified Tier 4 data center, that is the Yotta NM data center? Answer is Maharashtra. Question 15. With which has India's Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, that is MNRE, announced a new partnership for collaboration for clean energy development? Answer is USAID. Question 16. Karur Vysya Bank has entered into a corporate agency partnership with which in July 2020? Answer is Bajaj Allianz Life. Question 17. Priyanka Chopra Jonas has been chosen as the ambassador of which film festivals to be held in September 2020? Answer is Toronto International Film Festival. Question 18. The National Human Rights Commission has constituted an expert committee to study the impact of COVID-19 on human rights and future response of the government. Who will head the committee? Answer is Dr. K.S. Reddy. Question 19. What is the rank of Amit Panghal in men's 52 kg weight class according to the latest world rankings released by the International Boxing Association, that is AIBA, in July 2020? Answer is 1. Question 20. In July 2020, the Legal and Legislative Committee of Kuwait's National Assembly has approved a draft expat quota bill which seeks to limit the number of Indians to how much percent of the population? Answer is 15. Question 21. Sachin Awasthi bagged top publicist honor under Global Humanitarian Award 2020. He is the president of what? Answer is National Media Club. Question 22. What is the name of the mobile application launched by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee that will scan documents and reflects patriotism? Answer is Self-Scan. Question 23. Fino Payments Bank Limited has announced the launch of a savings account scheme for minor aged between how many years? Answer is 10 to 18. Question 24. Microsoft has announced a strategic partnership with which of the following aimed at providing digital skills to over 1 lakh youth in the country over next 1 year? Answer is National Skill Development Corporation. Question 25. Which has roped in Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan as its brand ambassadors in July 2020? Answer is Vectus Industries Limited. Question 26. The IIT Alumni Council has signed an agreement with which to jointly conduct research on COVID-19 and patient data analysis. Answer is CSIR Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology. Question 27. Who delivered the inaugural address on the first day of India Global Week 2020 in July 2020? Answer is Narendra Modi. Question 28. With which of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, that is CBDT, signed an MOU for data exchange between the two organizations? Answer is SABI. Question 29. Which countries have become the first two countries in the Southeast Asia region to eliminate both measles and rubella of the 2023 target? Answer is Maldives and Sri Lanka. Question 30. The first cricket match of 3-test series between England and which countries was played in July 2020 at Aegis Bowl, London after a hiatus of 117 days? Answer is West Indies. Question 31. In July 2020, the CM of which state has inaugurated 5 water supply projects, 1 office building of weight and measures department and rapid antigen detection testing center? Answer is Manipur. Question 32. Which has released $50 million in the first tranche of assistance to L&T Infrastructure Finance Limited for funding renewable energy projects in the country? Answer is AIIB. Question 33. Sushil Kumar ended his life in July 2020. He was related to which field? Answer is acting. Question 34. Which country has formally notified the United Nations of its decision to withdraw it from the World Health Organization? Answer is USA. Question 35. Which has signed a license agreement and transfer of technology, that is LATOT, of Akash missile weapon system with DRDO? Answer is Bharat Dynamics Limited. Question 36. Syed Ishtiaq Ahmad Jafri passed away in July 2020. He was related to which field? Answer is acting. Question 37. Which country has launched a digital Haat for online sale and purchase of sacrificial animals ahead of the festival of Eid al-Azha? Answer is Bangladesh. Question 38. In July 2020, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs has extended whose term as acting chairperson of the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, that is NCLAT, by 3 months? Answer is Justice Bansilal Bhatt. Question 39. Who has been selected as a member of the central government's expert committee on science and technology policy? Answer is Sijo Kurvila George. Question 40. Who represented India at the 4th edition of the Virtual Ministerial on Climate Action? Answer is Prakash Javadekar. Question 41. The book titled Mahavir, the Soldier Who Never Died is published by which publications? Answer is Rupa Publications. In Question 42. In July 2020, the government allowed how many poor women in crores to avail of 3 free LPG cylinders till September 2020? Answer is 7.4. Question 43. In July 2020, the Union Cabinet has approved capital infusion of rupees 12,450 crore in which public sector general insurance companies? Answer is National Insurance Company, Oriental Insurance Company, and United India Insurance Company. Question 44. According to the latest World Drug Report of the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, the maximum of 644 tons of opium was seized in which country? Answer is Iran. Question 45. A new species of pan-throated lizard has been discovered from the barren lands of which districts of Karnataka? Answer is Bagalkot. Question 46. Which has signed singer Sukhbir Singh as its brand ambassador in July 2020? Answer is Luxury Ride. Question 47. In July 2020, Jones Lang LaSalle's, that is JLL, Biennial Global Real Estate Transparency Index has been released. How many countries has it covered? Answer is 99. Question 48. In July 2020, Rajesh Verma has been appointed as the chairman of the Investor Education and Protection Fund Authority. The post of the chairman of the IEPEA is held by whoever is the current dash. Answer is MCA Secretary. Question 49. In July 2020, in which state has Indian cricketer Kedar Jadhav launched first bilingual sports weekly? Inside Cricket. Answer is Maharashtra. Question 50. With whom has AIIMS Jodhpur jointly launched a protection box named Abhay the Aero Shield for doctors and other health officials fighting the pandemic? Answer is ISKCON Surgical Limited. Question 51. In the pilot phase, Coca-Cola's portfolio of products will be listed on Grameen Store across which states? Answer is Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh. Question 52. In July 2020, which has initiated a skill development program in Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Answer is Construction Industry Development Council. Question 53. In July 2020, which company has appointed Navtej Bal as the executive director of its public sector? Answer is Microsoft India. Question 54. A Himalayan butterfly named Golden Birdwing is India's largest. What is the wingspan of this butterfly? Answer is 194 mm. Question 55. Which is planning to conduct a nationwide sero surveillance to evaluate the trend of COVID-19 infection among the population? Answer is ICMR. Question 56. In July 2020, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated how many new bridges built by the Border Roads Organization, that is BRO, in the Jammu division of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is 6. Question 57. The 15th meeting of the India-European Union Summit will be held in a virtual mode in July 2020. Who among will co-chair the meeting with Charles Michel? Answer is Narendra Modi and Ursula von der Leyen. Question 58. In July 2020, the Ministry of Culture has taken up the project of reprinting of how many volumes of Mongolian conjure under the National Mission for Manus NMM? Answer is 108. Question 59. In July 2020, PM Narendra Modi dedicated to the nation a 750 megawatt solar project set up to at which place in Madhya Pradesh? Answer is Rewa. Question 60. The Asia Cup cricket tournament has been postponed till June 2021 by the Asian Cricket Council owing to an upsurge in COVID-19. The tournament was later rescheduled to be held in which country due to security reasons? Answer is Sri Lanka. Question 61. In which state a team of wildlife researchers has discovered Yapthima watsoni butterfly commonly known as looped three ring after 61 years? Answer is Tripura. Question 62. In July 2020, Nadaun police station in which state has been ranked as one of the best police stations of the country? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Question 63. In July 2020, in which UTs did the Indian System of Medicine ISM, Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy Ayush distribute the immune boosting medicine? Answer is J and K. That is Jammu and Kashmir. Question 64. Internet search giant Google has relaunched its social networking platform Google Plus as Currents. In which year was the Google Currents platform announced for G Suite users? Answer is 2019. Question 65. Charlie Daniels passed away in July 2020. In which year did he win the Grammy Award for Best Country Vocal Performance for The Devil Went Down to Georgia? Answer is 1979. Question 66. Which of the IITs is collaborating with NVI DIA to establish India's first NVI DIA AI Technology Center, that is NVA ITC, to accelerate research on AI and its commercial adoption? Answer is IIT Hyderabad. For GK related questions, please subscribe to my channel. For more updates, follow on Insta. And don't forget to like, share and comment.